welcome to this tutorial. In this video guys, I want to show you how to create image to video using Pika Labs right here. Pika Labs is one of the best AI image generation right here, and is also one of the best AI platform that helps you turn your image into video right here. So guys, how do we actually do just that? We can easily create videos by simply making use of the create option by simply giving this a prompt, or you can simply just animate an image to turn into a video right there. So right here guys, on the Pika Labs Discord server, if you simply scroll down onto the creation room, we have lots of them right there. I'm just going to tap on any of those right here guys. So I'm going to walk you through 2 steps in which you are able to create image to video right there. So the first thing right here guys is to simply go onto the message option right here and put in slash. As you can see, we have the create by making use of the prompt right here. So I'm just going to make use of this, and you simply paste in your prompt. So I do have a prompt right here guys. You can easily put in the prompts of the video you want to create right there, and once you're done, you go onto the enter button, and as you can see right here, it is generating the video. So please be patient. So we simply just have to wait for a few minutes for this to be done. So that is it for step 1. Step 2 is simply going onto the message box right here and simply putting slash. Then you go onto the animate up button right here. So once you're right here, you can easily drag or drop, or you can click to upload an image right here. So I'm just going to upload an image right here guys. So I'm just going to choose any of this right here and upload an image. So let's simply make use of this right here guys. So as you can see, this is an image right here, but with the help of Pika Labs, this is going to turn into a video right there. So let's see how this actually works. You click onto enter right here guys, and as you can see, it is done generating video. So guys, as you can see, the first my video has been created right here, whereby this is my prompt caption: in a moment of stillness, a young girl stands on a cliff overlooking the turbulent sea below her air, and lots more right there. And with Pika Labs has been able to generate an awesome video for me right here. So I'm just going to play this for us to see. So I'm just going to do this. Alright guys, so let's play this and see how this actually looks like. This is how beautiful and excellent this video actually looks like, and you can easily just download this right into your device. So this is it by simply making use of the prompt option right here. So let's simply go down right. As you can see, they're still generating a video for the animate button right there. So we simply want to be patient and wait for this to be done. So right here guys, as you can see, our image is done right here. As you can see, animate image 1 attachment. So this was the image that was attached to this, and with the help of Pika Labs, so I've been able to turn this into a video right here. So I'm just going to play this. So this is how amazing this AI tool called Pika Labs actually is. So once you're done, you can easily download this. So you just want to simply make use of these 2 steps I've shown you right here on this video for you to be able to create image to video using Pika Labs.